Think of how much time it takes to prepare your traditional fireplace for the heating season and how much time you need to wait to let the ashes cool. What is more, how difficult it is to keep your fireplace clean. Now imagine that you can enjoy a natural fire within 3 seconds and bring this warm focal point back to life with the help of Planika's HotBox. HotBox is an innovative burner for traditional fireplaces. It's a real fire at the push of a button. This product is a perfect solution for everybody who's looking for a fireplace with minimum effort of handling. It doesn't need any chimney or additional ventilation because it burns absolutely without smoke, smell or ash. HotBox is totally safe as it is controlled with a microprocessor and the proper operation of the device is protected by numerous safety sensors. Arrange the place where you want HotBox to be installed. An electrical outlet must be within reach of the product as the device needs to be connected to the mains. Connect HotBox to the power supply. Place the device in the selected location. It is recommended to use the Fanola liquid. Planika, as a producer of Fanola, guarantees the highest quality and no perceptible smell while burning. Fanola is easily available online. www.fanola.com. To refuel the device, open the Fanola filler bolt and insert the funnel. Pour fuel. When the green indicator flashes on the control panel, the device is ready to be started. Press the Start-Stop button on the control panel and hold for 2 seconds until you hear a single beep. It will take a few moments for the appliance to ignite the flame. During this time, HotBox will be heating the fuel until there is enough vapors to burn. Patented advanced BEV technology ensures the maximum safety and comfort of use. Biofireplace's accordance with DIN norm has been confirmed by TÜV Laboratory. Find more information about HotBox and applied technology on www.store.planikafires.com.